Welcome to the Micromark Workshop. I'm here today to show you our ultrasonic cleaner, item number 82413. It's perfect for cleaning not only jewelry, which I have some here, I'm going to show you cleaning, eyeglasses, small machine parts. It cleans through oscillation and vibration, and it actually has little bubbles that'll just keep exploding on the surface of the item that's inside, cleaning it from any grease, grime, dirt. It's important to fill the ultrasonic cleaners with cold water, because one of the generations of the ultrasonic action is it heats up the water. So whenever your water starts getting very hot, you need to change it out and use cold water. There's an on-off switch in the front, and it has a set cycle time, and it runs for about 45 seconds to a minute. And if you need more cleaning time than that, you can just reset it and push the button. But again, you need to be careful so that the water doesn't get too warm. So, I have a very nice diamond ring that's going in the bath. And there's a little tray inside that's supplied with it. I have a bracelet that I'm going to put in with it. Micromark offers Ultrasonic Cleaning Solutions, item number 81870 and 81871 in an 8-ounce size and a 32-ounce size. And just a couple drops will do you. So I poked a little hole in the top, and I'm going to put in 3 drops. That'll help with the cleaning action. Little clouds is dirt and grime coming off the products. The ultrasonic cleaning solution that I put in is soap basically, but it's a concentrated soap, and it's going to aid in the reduction of the grime on the products. And we'll just have to rinse the product off when it comes out, and it'll be all nice and sparkly. Our ultrasonic cleaner does come with a cover, so at some point while it's just running you can just keep it covered. Reduces the sound level a little bit, keeps everything inside the cleaner. So if you stop seeing smudge and crud and grime and grease come off your product, then you don't need to run the whole cycle. You can shut it down and dry your products off, clean them up. Yeah, I already feel the water getting warmer. And I'll show you what this looks like as soon as I dry it a bit. Now you're ready for a night on the town. Okay, we're going to continue on. We've cleaned the jewelry. I'm going to show you how well it works on glasses. It's been a very hot and sticky week, so I'm sure that these need cleaned. So I'm dumping them in. They're covered pretty much completely. And all the cloud is coming off. Ultrasonic cleaning power in action. Let's dry them a little. So the wings are all cleaned up. The joints are cleaned. Every nook and cranny of every piece of my glasses is now clean. I'm ready to start another day.